Hello guys, welcome back to A&B Tech Bytes channel. Today we discuss how to create the amazing transparent login form by using HTML, CSS. If you're new to our channel, please hit the subscribe button and join our A&B Tech Bytes community. Let's not waste our time, let's get into the video.
We have to create a folder. I'm creating and name it login form. Now open our Visual Studio, open folder, select that folder. Now I'm creating HTML CSS file, so index.html, style.css. For image I have in desktop, so I'm going back and copy image folder and paste in this folder. Now I'm taking HTML pre-boilerplate. I'm changing heading into login form using HTML and CSS. Now I'm linking with the CSS file by using link tag. Now I'm taking div tag with class card. In between I'm taking form. In between I'm taking one heading, login. Now I'm taking one div tag with class name input box. In between I'm taking input, type text, placeholder, user name and give required. Now copy this one and paste it here. Now change type to password and placeholder password. This is the preview or basic HTML. I am taking remember forgot for checkbox. In between I am taking label with the input. Now change type checkbox. In between I am giving remember me. Now take an anchor tag. In between forgot password. Now I'm taking for button by using button class name button and middle I am giving login and give the type submit. Now creating another div tag with the registration link. I'm taking paragraph. In between I'm writing don't have account and take one anchor tag and give registration. This is the basic HTML. Now font for I'm taking icons, font Accedian and select the second option and copy this one and paste in our HTML head tag. Now go back to Chrome browser and search font awesome icons. Select first one and search in the search box user and copy first one and copy this code and paste it. First div input type text and go back and search for log and paste it here. This is our base HTML. For styling, first we have to force Google for a Google font. So I am taking Poppins, get font, get embed code and copy this import code and paste in our HTML head tag. Now copy this one, font family Poppins and come to our CSS file. I am taking basic CSS, margin 0, padding 0 and give box size, border box. Now paste that font here. Now I am taking body. In body I am taking display flex. Give justify content center. Give align items center and height 100 VH, and I'm taking background green. After that I can replace with my image for better understanding taking image. Now I'm taking one card with 420 pixel and give background violet and give color white. Now for heading I'm taking card H1 and font size 38 pixel and center purpose text align center. Now come to our input box. I'm taking class name input box, width and give width 100% and give height 50px, give margin 13px and 0. Now take again input class, box class and input, give width 100%, height 100% and give background orange and give border none, outline none, give border 2px solid and RGB 225, 255, 255 and 0.2. Give border radius 40 pixel. Give font size 16 pixel and color white and give some padding 20 pixel, 45 pixel, 20 pixel and 20 pixel. Now placeholder color and taking input box class with input box position absolute, right 20 pixel, top 50% and translate y minus 50% and give font size 20 pixel. Now give here input box position absolute, relative. Now icons in place in current same. So now come to our remember. So I'm taking class name remember and forgot. Now give display flex, justify content space between, give font size 15px and gives margin minus 15px, 0, 15px. Now take class name remember forgot with the label and input, give accent color white, give margin right 3px. Okay, now for anchor I am taking remember forgot anchor and give color white, give text decoration none. Now for hover effect I am taking hover, so class name remember forgot anchor and hover. Now give text decoration, underline. Now come to our button. I am taking class name button. Give width 100%, height 45 px, and background white. Give border none. Give outline none, and give border radius 40 px. Cursor pointer. Box shadow 10 px and give RGB like this. Give font weight 600. And give color as 333 and give font size 16 px. Now for last part, I am taking register class name, register link. The font size give 15 px and give text align center and margin 20 px, 0 and 50 px. Now for anchor, I am taking register class name, register link, paragraph and anchor. In between give color white, give font weight 600 and give text decoration none. For hovering, same class name taking. Give text decoration underline. Our basic code is over. Now for padding, go to our input box and change the color background transparent. Now it gives transparent. Now go to code and give some padding 30 px and 40 px. Now I am giving border for this, so border radius 10 pixel. Now give border 2 px solid, RGB and give these colors. Now give box shadow 10 px and RGB, give these key colors. Now give transparent background color. For blur effect, I am giving backdrop filter. Give blur 20 pixel. Now we want to add our image, so I am going to body and give background URL and giving my image source here. Now give background position center. Give background size cover and give background repeat, no repeat. That's it guys, our coding is done. 1 minute. Yeah, sorry here blur, I'm right for filming mistake. Yes guys, this is the final output and these are amazing login form. So here you can give any username, password and checkbox, all are working. I hope you like this video.